Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VT for All. In this video, we are going to solve a very important DSA problem, which is find the missing number in a range from 1 to n. So this is the two example which is given here. Our example first is input array which is equals to 1, 2, 4, 5. Our output is 3. Like that for example 2, our input array is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and our output is 6. So let's see how we are finding the missing number. So we are taking first example 1. So for that we are making our public class. This is the basic syntax everyone knows. Public static void main string arguments. So now we are consider one example 1. So our input array which is given here, which is 1, 2, 4, 5. This is our input array which is given here. And what is our n value here? N equals to 5 because our array which is given here up to 5. So now what is our expected sum? Means our expected sum which is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula to find the expected sum. So what is the n value here, which is 5. And now initially we consider that our actual sum is 0. So actual sum initially we consider as 0. So how can we traverse the elements to get all the values which is given in this array? We need to use the for loop to traverse the element which is given in this array. So int I equals to 0 less than array dot length, and this is increment. So now what is our main thing which we have to find in this question? So before finding the missing number, we have to add the index value of the array to the actual sum. So our actual sum equals to actual sum plus array of I. Now we have to find the missing number. So what is the formula to find the missing number? Means we have to expected sum minus actual sum. So we can clearly see that our expected sum is, if we put our n value here, which is 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2, it becomes 15. And our actual sum is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. It means this is 12. So 15 minus 12 which is equals to 3. So missing number which is equals to expected sum minus actual sum. So this is the thing. So this is the missing number we have to find. Now print this one. System.out.println. This is the print statement to print the value. Missing number is missing number. So let's see, our output should be 3 because we are considered example first here. So you can clearly see that our output is 3 and our expected sum is 15 and our actual sum is 12. So 15 minus 12 which is equals to 3. So like that you can execute for the example 2. This is the same code for the example 2, but we are considered array different here and n value is different here. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VT for All.